Have you ever wanted to start a business but felt like you needed money, equipment, or experience you just don't have yet? You don't. And this book proves it. In just a few simple steps, you will learn how to launch a real vendor management business in 21 days, with zero overhead and no big investment. First, understand what vendor management is and why businesses desperately need someone to do it for them. Next, learn the simple steps to set yourself up as the go-to person in this space. Then, land your first client and start earning runs lean, grows fast, and costs almost nothing to start. Picture this. Its day runs lean, grows fast, and costs almost nothing to start. Picture this. It's day 22. You have your first client. You're working from your laptop. There's no office, no inventory, no debt. Just real income from a business you built in 3 weeks from scratch. Remember, the best businesses aren't always the biggest. Sometimes they're just the smartest. Starting lean is a game changer. It creates income, confidence, and freedom without the risk. Don't wait. Grab your copy of Vendor Management Business Launch in 21 Days and take your first step today.